It's still here. It's been months, but yeah, let's try and get something done. We've made a list. Ta-da! So first up today, gonna tidy up and have a review of what we got here. There is crap everywhere, as you can see, rubbish, kids' toys, everything that's blown in here over the last 3 months. Got nails and bits of wood lying around where I've been splitting pallets of firewood. So need to have a tidy up at this place, get everything in order, and generally have a look over all the parts in the car and see how it's fared up after 3 months of sitting in rain. So that's job number one. Other jobs for today, in no particular order. Front inner wings. In previous videos you've seen me weld the very front sections of those on. I kind of remember there's a few areas where I didn't really get very good penetration through the wing, so I want to take the opportunity to get some more weld on the inside, just so I know I've got a nice weld line running down the inside of those inner wings. So that's going to be a job at some point today. Rear chassis legs. Last time I came out before it started raining, I was looking at the sill, and in doing so I opened up a whole can of worms. Yes, they are in a shocking state, and I'm not going to lie, that was very disheartening finding that last time. I knew they were bad, but actually seeing quite how bad they were, it was I think exactly filled me with enthusiasm to carry on. So it's another reason, which is one of the many reasons it's contributed to why it's been so long since I've done anything here. But I've done a bit of research and I've got some theories about it, so I'm going to have a tackle that today and just see what we're dealing with, open them up and take a look. So that's another job. Lastly on the list, near side rear arch and the sill. Last time around I was tackling the offside sill, and although I haven't finished that, I know it seems like I'm jumping around a lot, but there's not really much more I can do on that until I deal with the rear chassis legs and some other bits. So I'm flitting around and doing odds and sods here and there rather than finishing one job, but it's just how I'm working with this project, and how, if I'm going to make any progress, I just need to make progress where I can, and slowly everything will come together. That's the plan. But anyway, enough talking, let's crack on. So it would appear my rain cover wasn't exactly as waterproof as I thought. The boot is full of water, which is very bad news. And let's remind ourselves how crap this car is. The advantage of this thing does help with bailing out the water. So, looking at the car upside down, this is what we're dealing with. But for the most part, all this seems alright. Right up until you get to the important bit. This is where the rear beam mounts. Yes, annoyingly my worst fears have been realised, considering this is meant to be the good side. So this chassis leg bit here, this is a continuous piece, but the structural bit is actually housed underneath it. The bit that takes the rear beam, where these threaded bolts are here. That is essentially a bit of box section that sits underneath this. This just covers over it. Now, I was hoping that this underneath was going to be solid. I think it's meant to be about 6mm thick, and as you can see, it is 0mm thick here and here, which is really bad news. Really bad news. So I think I'm going to have to cut this piece out, take it off the top of here, and see what I'm dealing with. If it's just this bit here that's thinned, then maybe I can plate this section here without moving any of this. But I'm not going to know until I start pulling some of this apart. And if I'm doing that, I should really weld in some bracing to stop this car folding in half while it's on the stand, but I don't have anything. Why do you hate me, car? Why do you hate me? I'm trying to save you. I'm trying to save you. This bitch. This is where the front arm mounts. So this has had some botched repair before. It's just holes underneath and they've obviously plated over it, but that plate's perished. So I need to grind all this off and replace this section. Where is that? That crappy old repair area cut out. And look, it's just all full of cavity wax. It's probably a good thing, but here's what it should look like. This needs to come off the donor panel. Da-da-da. This actual panel is held on these little tack welds here, so I'm hoping I can just cut these out and remove this as a complete piece rather than having to cut around it, which would be quite nice. That's that off. It's got a bit of surface corrosion on the inside, but that should clean up. So, just need to trim this to size now. So we got a little repair panel cut to size, laid down some weld through primer on this and this, as we've lost a lot of the wax fill that was in there, so I need to give it some kind of protection once it's welded up, so hopefully that'll be enough. But yeah, once this is dried off a bit, we can tack weld that in, or weld it in properly. Then, where's my bit gone? Then once that's ground back, all we've got to do is trim this and stick that in place. And that's this little area repaired. Going back to our list. As I kind of expected, this didn't happen. Tidy up, we kind of did that. Front inner wings weld, I did a bit of that. I did do a bit of the inner wing welding. But that's something I can do on a day when I'm not able to make much noise. So yeah, we kind of did that. Rear chassis legs. We looked at those and cleaned them up a bit, but to be honest, they scared the shit out of me. So yeah, nothing happened with them. And obviously I need to do this before I do that. So nothing happened with that either. But we ended up doing something that wasn't on the list, which was this front arm mount. So close, nearly there. I've run out of welding gas. Oh, really wanted to get this done today. Well, that's annoying. But we're running out of daylight, so even if I go down to the shop now and get some more gas, I'm not going to be able to finish this off today. And the weather for the rest of the weekend is meant to be crap. But a little bit of progress is better than nothing, I suppose. So, was it worth a 3-month wait? No. But I don't know. I'm just amazed I still got this bloody thing. Well, hopefully it won't be another 3 months before I get that finished. But time will tell. For now, it's time to pack up. See you next time.